create a chart for a pivot table manually, you can just click in any empty cell, click on Insert, Pivot Chart, and select Pivot Chart and Pivot Table. Choose the table and range, and the next step, Existing Worksheet, and click where you want the chart to appear. And click OK. Now we are going to start adjusting our chart. So in the axis level, you can put the items which you want, values, and sum of amount. You can keep playing with the fields until you reach the chart style or the look which you want. To get a quick chart for a pivot table, you can do so by clicking inside your pivot table, then click on Pivot Table Analysis, Pivot Chart, and here you can select a style which suits you the most. Once you found the style which you are looking for, just click OK. If you want to refilter for data and also to have the chart updated like that, click on Filter, select the items which you want to see, and they will be automatically reflected in your chart.